It's news that so many parents across our area and across the country have been waiting for. Just this morning, Pfizer asking the U.S. government for emergency use authorization of its COVID-19 vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11. That means we could be one step closer to seeing that young population vaccinated.
I'll be the first in line to get my daughter vaccinated. Very, very focused on keeping her healthy and keeping the spread down.
Susie Gould says she will not hesitate to get her 9-year-old daughter Maddie the COVID shot. And other parents we spoke with are of different mindsets. Jonathan Reed is on board for his kids, but would want to wait it out a bit.
I'm always of the mindset that I don't want to be the first in line, but I also want to be in a situation that can protect the children, protect those who are around me, and certainly I would be on board with it. I would just be in the middle of the line.
We've already had to pull my son out of kindergarten to be COVID tested, and I think missing school is problematic for that age group, and I think it's the safe and right thing to do.
Parents waiting for a final decision after Pfizer asked the U.S. government on Thursday to allow emergency use authorization of its COVID vaccine in kids ages 5 to 11. This age group would receive a smaller dose than what teens and adults are getting.
We need to review the data in detail, specifically the data that's going to be issued regarding the dosing for the vaccine.
The city says it's ready for the shots, but needs to do its own research and find out if a lower dose means different packaging or drawing less of the vaccine in the vial. We also spoke with an infectious disease doctor with Mount Sinai who believes this is an important next step in fighting the pandemic. Although kids in general are at a lower risk of severe illness or death, at least 520 children in the U.S. have died from COVID so far, according to the American Academy of Pediatrics.
There has been a lot of hospitalizations and critical illnesses in children in the recent Delta wave, and the best really is that we try to prevent that from happening.
An independent panel of experts is set to debate the evidence publicly at the end of this month. If the panel gives the green light, shots for young kids could begin in just a matter of weeks. We're live on the East Side. I'm Dana Arshan, Fox 5 News. Steve.
All right, thanks, Dana.